Today we're going to be replacing our gear shift knob with an aftermarket one. I bought this one off Amazon. I thought it was chrome blue. I ended up getting colorful. Yeah, that was my fault. And you're also going to have to buy a non-threaded adapter. That's this. So to remove this, push in the clutch, put it in second gear. You're going to grab it and you're going to twist and pull. That's how you remove the shift knob. And then when you want to install it back, just put it back and it literally clicks on. If you're just going to pull it, it's harder. So you got to grab it, twist and pull. And that's it. Okay, let's install the other one.